Hi, I'm Brett with Axiom Tool Group, and today we've got a real fun show for you, cooking with Axiom Precision. We'll be using our Iconic CNC series, outfitted with a 2.8 watt laser to laser engrave our holiday pie. And here's a look at our finished product, but first things first.
We need pie. What? My granddaddy always said, if you got a problem that you can't solve, helps to get out of your head. Pie, it's good.
After hours of slaving away, our made-from-scratch pie is in the oven. It's almost ready. I can smell it, and I can't wait to...
Hey, the pie you ordered is here. I just need you to sign for it, bud.
Yeah.
What are you doing today?
We're laser engraving pies.
That's cool.
Say, Austin, you don't suppose if we're using a laser to burn our pie, we're technically burning calories?
Yeah, I don't think so, Brett. Have a good show, bud.
So anyway, our pie's here. Let's head on over to the shop and get to work. Once we've turned on our machine, the first thing we're going to do is home it. With our laser head now attached, we can move it to the center of our pie and set our origin. Now that our origins have been set, we can select our file, and in no time we'll have our one-of-a-kind holiday pie. To all of our holiday CNC bakers out there, when laser engraving your pie, for best results we recommend a feed rate of 60 to 70 inches per minute.
Thank you, everyone, for watching this video.
And from our family to yours,
Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh. And first thing, it's in the oven. I'm gonna do something.
Whose pies are these?